Today's topic is Indian Constitution. We will discuss the silent features of the Indian Constitution. It is lengthiest and written constitution. It is longest constitution in the whole world as it is considered single constitution for the whole country. Our constitution is influenced by the Government of India Act 1935. Basically, there are two types of constitution. First is written, second is unwritten. India and America has written constitution, Britain has unwritten constitution. Our constitution drawn from various sources. We have borrowed constitution feature from many countries like US, Canada, French, Irish, British, rigid and flexible. Indian constitution is a blend or you can say mixture of rigidity and the flexibility, but American constitution has only one feature, rigidity, and Britain constitution only flexibility. For example, if we want to form a new law in the American constitution, it will take 7 years. But on the other hand, if we want to amend Britain constitution, it will be amended very easily. So that's the feature of rigidity and the flexibility. Some provisions require simple majority. It means it has a flexible constitution. It can be amended very easily. But on the other hand, if we compare with the rigid constitution, it will take long procedures. It will require special majority. Legislative means the process which make laws, which forms new laws. So in the rigid constitution, legislative don't have full authority. In the flexible constitution, they have full authority of making or forming the laws. Universal adult franchise. Till 1987, the voting age in India is 21 years. But by the 61st Amendment Act in the Indian Constitution after 1988, age limit is reduced from 21 to 18 years. That is known as the universal adult franchise. By 61st Amendment in the Constitution, in our Constitution, there we have adopted universal adult franchise. Above the 18 years of people can vote in the India. That's all. Thank you.